This reminds me of the time when I was at a hockey game and there was a tornado. Like, okay, everyone, get out of here. I'm getting the flashbacks right now. There's only one thing left to happen. Go to Disney World. And there's a hurricane. That's why I'm not going to Disney World. All right, who did it? Who did it? Or was there an actual file? Is there an actual file? What do you think would cause an actual file? I think I know what happened. Okay, you ready? This is what happened. Either A, Submanian pulled file home because he's stupid. Or she, or they, I don't know their pronouns. B, there's an actual file somehow, and this is March 31st, 2033. What? I'm slowing my words. Didn't even smell like it.
No, definitely.
It didn't even smell like smoke in there. It didn't smell like fire. It just happened, which likely means someone pulled it. What do you think could have caused an actual fire? That's what I want to know. Did someone cook and they not?
I feel like burns down.
Do you see any sign of smoke?
I don't see any smoke. I didn't smell any smoke.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Okay, so how?
It's safe? Oh, thank goodness. Ah.